content plays a very important role. Family culture is playing a very important role. You and me grew up in a house where we could see the mother telling the father नहीं drink करना चाहिए, नहीं smoke करना चाहिए. हमारे घर में झगड़ा इसी topic के ऊपर होता होगा. Which means at least we were learning that this is wrong. As a child, we grew up learning that this is wrong. And then the son, उस टाइम daughters का तो concept नहीं था, but when the son would start experimenting with it, the son would hide it. छुपाता था. Again teaching me that this is wrong, इसीलिए छुपा रहा है. सही. Today we said, नहीं, आप हमारे साथ बैठ के पीना. So your first drink you will have with me.
It's socially acceptable.
I'm endorsing it as a parent.
Yeah.
And then very soon the mother said, why only men? So then the daughter will also have it with you. So your karma. Tomorrow consequence will come. So जो चीज़ healthy नहीं है, not physically, not emotionally, not vibrationally, why are we endorsing it like this? And the repercussion that is going to have on the next generation when... See, this whole equality thing that we talk about, physically, soul-wise, all equal. But a woman costume, if she's going to become a mother tomorrow, she can't say, oh, I am the same as my husband or I'm the same as my fiancé and I can drink. No, you can't, because he's not going to bear the child. तो आपकी एक moral karma responsibility है. So ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. So it is our responsibility as a society to stand up for what is the right in your own life and to make that more normal and natural and common. I was in a group of program where it was all women. The person before me was endorsing drinking. And she's saying, where is your glass? Where is your glass? ऐसे वाली बात हो रही थी. And I said, like, मेरे को इनके बात बोलना है. I said, like, okay. And I saw that it was being like, if you don't have the class, then that means...
Yeah.
And then I just obviously went and just said the opposite completely. And I said, like, today you're saying this, tomorrow your young daughters are going to say this, and now you be careful of what will happen to your grandchildren. Because आप दादी बनकर तो यहाँ होंगे ही देखने के लिए अपने grandchildren को. So endorsing it. After that, a few women came to me and they said, we felt so good today only because at least we felt we were on the right. You know, when majority shifts on the other side now,
yeah.
So even the right starts feeling that there is something wrong. The one power which everybody needs in Kali Yuga is stand for the right even if you're alone. In school nowadays we see, देखो हमारे टाइम पे भी कुछ बच्चे ऐसे गलत चीज़ें करते थे, स्मोकिंग ड्रिंकिंग, but they were very small in number. तो हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही थी, हम सब सही काम कर रहे हैं वो कुछ. Today it changed.
Yeah.
Became the other, at least in cities where we are, it changed. So now if a child doesn't experiment with these substances, if a child doesn't have a social media handle,
yeah,
because the parents said, no, we're not giving it to you, the child is made to feel.
Yes.
So now that one sanskar which every parent needs to inculcate in themselves and thereby radiate it to their children, the power to stand on the right even if you're the only one. Otherwise आप कलयुग में नहीं टिक पाएंगे. Either आप टूट जाएंगे या आप फिर वैसे बन जाएंगे.
Yeah.
But आपको दोनों नहीं करना है. टूटना भी नहीं है और वैसे बनना. So now spirit, now power. That means you have to energize the soul to be able. Now when people come to the center and they find so many people, oh acha, everybody's living in that kind of a lifestyle. They become very comfortable, energized. They're ready to go back to their school, their college or their parties. They will still go to parties. ऐसा नहीं है पार्टी नहीं जाना है. पार्टी जाना है. But सिर्फ जो सही है वो करना है.
वो करना है.
बस.
Click here to watch the full episode.